What's up guys, what's up, back again in my channel. Okay, today I'm going to review the gorgeous, not a sadly, well, sorry for the word for sadly, Dainese Valentino Rossi 2007 replica glove. As we know, if you are Vale fan, you know in 2007 Vale couldn't make it. He's not the champion again. He failed in 2006 and he failed in 2007. 2007 was Casey Stoner. He's the winner with the Ducati. And back in 2007, this is the glove, the one that Vale won it. And the design again similar with the 2006 edition. It's just different color. You can see my other video for Dainese replica Valentino Rossi glove 2006 edition. And for this glove, I very love this one because this has yellow fluo color, full totally. Sorry, but mixed with the white leather, as you can see. And this is used, guys. Sadly, I don't have the new one. I sold it already, and I was supposed to be make the video when it's sold before somebody bought it. But that time I don't have this camera because it was many years ago. Again, the time now is 2025, so this like almost 20 years ago, this like 18 years ago. And nowadays very hard to find it. If you are Vale fan and you want to have these, go ahead, but it doesn't easy to getting it. So for my review this time, again, if you viewing my 2006 edition, almost the same way. It has the DCP technology, but mine here kind of gone. Okay, and then metal here with the doggy logo. Okay, it's the same doggy with the 2006. This is the yellow 2006 glove, same one. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, same one, same design. So around here same. So again, in my last video I said this is the first generation after the old 2005 glove, because since that, again, as you can see, Dainese is using the same design. As you can see, this is 2006, 2007, same metal design. The leather here same way, you can see stripe black with the 3 lines or 4 or so. Okay, same with the doggy, same with the carbon, same with the carbon with the Dainese logo, same way with the Dainese logo. So that's the comparison. Same way, almost the same. It just has a different color, but for this glove, the 2007 edition, it has additional technology which Dainese adding this one, the protection. Okay, this one is pretty hard. This will help you when you crash, so this will help you to protect your skin, unlike the old one, the yellow one. As you can see, just nothing. Same way with the DCP here. Okay, see that DCP, but there are no things like that. This is just leather. And if we compare it with the next generation, the 2007, so this is the difference. Okay, so this is the new one. The rest, they are the same, and then nothing very special. Just special for sure for the colors. This is yellow fluo color, the Roxy favorite color. And again, now we are talking about the bettings. As you can see, three things same way, which is this area. If you rub it a lot, you can see all the Dainese logo, they are gone. So this is for my 2006 glove. You can see they are still there. It said what, racing equipment, Dainese, yeah, things like that. But in here, as you can see, all gone, because, well, still left some there. Very little. Let me see the other one. Same way, it's all gone because I rub it. You can see this is supposed to be Dainese, but it's gone. I rub it a lot, so this is what happens when you rub it or you connect with the leather, whatever, often or very hardly, so this will off. And you can see if I just do like this, it's gonna be falling apart. See this? So you can see that. Maybe I'm gonna blow it, gonna fly. See that? Gone. So that is the bad things from these gloves. I think even back in the 2017 Rossi glove, and I think same way the 2021 glove, still the same thing. I think they still have using that one. I mean this material, the sweat. I don't know why Dainese using like that. In my opinion, Dainese is supposed to be using original thin leather, like, I mean, instead using these materials, it's very easy to broken. As you can see here, this side, you can see this again. Okay, that's the difference. Still hasn't gone. I rub it. So that's the first, as usual. And the second, the logo, again, nothing lasts forever, guys. This is life, and this is we use. These doesn't off, and just example like the yellow one, you can see it's cracked, but this is better. They use better printing, leather printing better, and the paint, it doesn't crack, but just the color, like kind of like, how to say, maybe like falling apart, I don't know, but it's not cracked for the letters. It just time by time gone. So this is used, and this is normal. Again, you can paint this as like what I did on my yellow glove. You see that I paint white. It's supposed to be gone, but I made it. I painted, and when I have a time, I'm gonna paint this one too. Just don't have time for now. So no worries if you have things like this as used, and oh man, the logo is going to fade away. But as long you have this one with you, you still can fix it by adding the leather paint on it, and it's very easy to do. Just this leather paint just costs like $5 or $6, and you just buy the white one and the black one, and like the dark gold, not bright gold, because the original, the color is like this. Let me show you. This one, it's like dark gold, so that's the original one. So you only need just to buy the black, white, and a dark gold leather paint, and that's it. Just paint this, and again, this is the result. See that? Not quite good, but I did it nicely. Again, see that? It's more white, yeah, very white. Looks like new because this is new paint. Unless, like you can see, this is the colors difference. Okay, so again, that's the second, and the third one, the last, same way for the strap. For this glove, I already appreciate and know how to treat this glove. So when I off this glove for my hand, I off it so it doesn't, I mean, I didn't just pull it very strongly. So as you can see, everything is still there, still nice, still good. Okay, and again, if you open it, just open the strap, the velcro strongly, roughly. Again, example, this will happen. This will happen in my 2006 glove. See that? I very hard. I off this one. Just pull like that fastly. That's what happened. The same way again. I did it on my 2005 glove. So this is the example. Sorry. Oh, this one. See that? It's not the stitches. No. You cannot fix this. Yeah, I cannot fix this. Oh, there's an end there. We blow it. Yeah, I cannot fix this because as you can see the letter like defied too. So even though if I can fix it, I can take I can do the stitching start from here. Yeah, I can fix that, but it's not gonna be original anymore. But the letter is defied too already. So be careful when you open this strap. This side is very easy to broken. Again, you can see that 1 and 2. But in 2007 edition, I didn't do it anymore. So still good. When I open this strap, I open it gently, so it won't do like this. I mean, it won't happening again, things like that. So that's the bad things, guys. And as the same as like the music, as you can see here, a lot of black color, small one. See that? Then let me blow it. These come from here. So I even not rub it anymore, but it's like falling apart very easy. Made mistake all times, all days like that. So but it doesn't matter. This is still a good strong glove. It's just getting bad for the cosmetic flaws. So that's all I can say. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, this is very special glove, but just sadly, just like the music, finally didn't win no championship in 2007 because Casey Stoner was the one who be the champion. Okay, thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for viewing my video. So if you have these glove as used, keep it up. Very hard to get again. And again, Dainese will not gonna make this anymore. 2007, 2006, 2005, they're not gonna make anymore. If you got it, think twice. You want to sell it or you want to buy it, because nothing lasts forever, and these will not easy to get in 2025. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon in my other video, my other review. Bye.